What's up, bros? My name is Captain Swag,
aka the Tiger,
and I'm about to show you some great cooks. I'm about to show you the best show called America's Next Top Chef, Unpredicted.
My name's Thelma Cox, and I've been living in Antarctica for the last 44 years. My favorite animal is a raccoon, and I like biscuits.
My name's Martha Stewart. I like to make shark fin soup. I'm really good friends with, Gordon Ramsay, Guy Fieri. Those guys are my homies. Yeah, I've been in this cooking game a long time. No one can defeat me. I'm here to win.
My name is Cox, Thelma Cox. Today, I'm going to be making my signature fried mouse sandwich. So, you got our loaves of bread, plop that bad boy on there.
This better be good.
Time for cooking. Doesn't it look delicious?
It's Martha Stewart. My dish is called Sweetums pasta. That looks delicious right there. Sprinkle it on there. And top it off with a little mozz. Yeah, that's good right there. Clothespin right there.
Get it in that darn microwave!
And cook for approximately 68 seconds.
You gotta cook it for 9 minutes!
This is delicious. Man.
I should eat the clothes.
I'm going to start judging who's better. That looks like dirt! That looks like freaking dirt! I'd give this score a negative infinity of 100,000 billion light years from now! Oh my goodness, what is that stuff? This does taste a little good. The winner is Thelma Cox.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.